How is your mental? How is your mental? Like, you in my business. Like, all up in the Kool-Aid, don't know the flavor. What's up, my J-Dolls and Baby J's? Welcome back to my channel.
Had a few niggas ride it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, I am doing a life update and the tea on me, because I've been getting more and more subscribers. So I just want to give them an updated Q&A about me and like everything, just what's about me. So I asked y'all some questions on Instagram and some people, they did comment or whatever, and I'm just gonna be answering that and doing my makeup. But before we get into this video, I just want to show y'all this wig I just got from Amazon. It is a HD lace, girl, and 30 inches. Like, get into it. So it was only $252 I think dollars, and it's 150 density. When I tell y'all, I was so shook when I seen this on TikTok, and I was like, I gotta review it for my people. Okay, so it is 30 inches and it's 150 density, so it's giving boneless a little bit, but it's not bad for the price, because 30 inches, they really be like, taxing for that. It really be like $500 type of deal. I did get some shedding. I did do a little install, so I just put like a little snippet in here real quick right now. I just wanted to get cute for my new wig. First question is wild, so I'm just gonna tell y'all that right now. This is like very much in my business, but I set myself up for this. So the first question is, are you in the LGBT community? No, I am strictly straight. Kinda am, because I support some people who are in the LGBT community, and I think one of the letters stand for people who support. So there you go, I am in it. Okay, so the next question is, would I get a BBL? That's so hard to answer, because I work out now, so it's like I wouldn't, but before I would have, but if I would have got a BBL, it wouldn't have been so dramatic. I mean, if you got the money, do it, sis, but don't be looking like too crazy. Like, the hips don't be giving, so like I wouldn't go super crazy. I would just get like a little fat, a little fat transfer to the back, you know what I'm saying, just something like that. I do not have anything against the BBL community. And did I tell y'all this wig was from Amazon? Girl, yes. Are you moving out? I really skipped the question, because that one, it's just like we went in too soon. We're gonna wait on that question. Yes, I'm moving out. The apartment that we're staying in is all right, but it's just too small, and y'all know I got a lot of clothes. It's just not for me. So yeah, I plan on moving, but I am gonna still like some wigs and purses, because I got a buku of purses, and it's like sickening. Like, girl, why you got that many purses? So the next question is, do you regret relationships or friendships? Not really, because I've always had the same friends since like elementary. So like my friends from elementary to middle school, we would stay friends. We didn't fall off like from bad things. We just fell off because like school separated us. And high school, my high school friends, we still talk now. Like my really close friend, girl, we still talk today. Like, she know the vibes. So you gotta watch who you have in your circle. That's all. And the relationship, I don't regret any of my relationships, because it just really taught me how dumb you can be over a relationship, and it can just really blind you, girl. Like, it will literally blind you. Like,
y'all be weak in the knees. Stand up. Stand up.
What's my height? I am 5'7". Next question is, most painful tattoo or piercing? I don't really have that many piercings. My belly ring, that one really got to me. My nose piercing didn't hurt at all. None of my tattoos really hurt, because I got my back pierced and it really didn't hurt either. It was biting a little bit, but it really didn't. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Like, oh my god, I was laughing with my leg tattoo. So next question is, what's a good age to have kids? I don't feel like it's age that comes with what's a good time to have kids. I feel like priorities, and like if you got your stuff together, it's good for like having kids. Because if you can't afford yourself, why is you having kids? No, I can't even do it. Like, a good age that I would seem that I would be stable, like in in my prime, would be like 28, 30. Right about now, I'm still trying to worry about how I'm gonna pay for the next Fit Me foundation. The girls that get it. The girls that don't. Dude said, how can I talk to you? I'm guessing you want to know my type, because it's a reason that I don't just talk to anybody. So my type, and it needs to change because I always run into problems with this type. Tall, athletic, and it used to be light skin, but now it's dark skin. So I really need to get off athletic, period, because it's just not gonna be great. This question says, and I don't know how you know my business, like it says, are you and still together? No. That man, let me tell you, I can't even say wrong time and wrong person, however that saying go. I couldn't even say that. It's just, some people aren't for you, some people are there for a season, some people are your forever person. How do you stay, I'm sorry y'all if I'm looking crazy, it's just I'm blind. How do you stay confident in the gym? I lose interest because the results come slow. Girl, we twin now, because I probably saw results in like a month, and I told myself, I said, if I don't see it in a month, this journey is coming to an end. So I started in February 14th last year. So this year made a year. I'm down 20 pounds. I really don't think I could go any farther, because if I do, I'm gonna be like my high school weight. So like when I first started, I wasn't confident, but what I had in my mind was the after. So I was like focused on what I want my body to look like after. And so I wasn't checking my body every day. I wasn't doing all that stuff. I just worked out and went straight to something else. I didn't work out and be like, you know, I didn't do that until now, because baby, I just feel like you just go to the gym, stay active, and you'll be straight. Like, you're gonna see results regardless. Only time you don't see results if you really ain't doing nothing. If you just get in there and go to the gym and just sit on your phone, I wouldn't even say stay confident, because I sometimes have my days where I'm like, oh my god, girl, like my stomach is like so big. But to stay confident, wear great clothes to the gym. That really helped me, because like when I was wearing like terrible stuff to the gym, I felt terrible. I was so focused on the outfit instead of the exercises. So yeah, I would just say wear something that you feel comfortable in, matches your body type. Like, I cannot wear shorts to the gym for the life of me, because I'm so tall, and like the ankles just get me every time. Why would I wear that to the gym and I'd be focused on that all day? So do it make you feel comfortable. Don't just go out there and go head over heels for that. And I'm a person that do not watch the scale. I just look at how my body is forming. Next question is, do I watch you for? Of course. Like, what kind of question is that? My favorite person on there is Cassie. Like, I don't understand why they hate her so much. Like, the girl, she started up, really. That's why I loved it. Like, it was not gonna be anything without Cassie. Like, a lot of people go for Maddie, but Maddie just was too dumb for me. Like, girl, how you didn't know your best friend was talking to your man? Like, how many kids do you want? I really want a Yorkie. I really want a dog. I want a cat. So like 3. What? But if you talk about like real, like me having kids, probably like 1. Like, I like to have kids in my presence and like play with them for like 2 hours. But after the 2 hours up, it's like, come get your kids. So I can't do that with my own kids. It's like, you gotta take care of the kids. How is your mental? How was your mental? My mental is, it was rocky. Let me tell you that. It was rocky from December to about 2 weeks ago. Not even gonna count to you. Like, I'm not gonna show that my mental is bad, but my mental was terrible like those months. But now it's great. Like, I'm just living life. But like, how I got my mental back was just praying, reading my books. Like, I really love books. Like, I really like to read. So the next question is, do I have a crush? Yes. And he knows who he is. But yeah, he's like a semi-celebrity. What do you look for in a dude or a friendship? He gotta have enough together. Like, I'm not finna do the most and say he gotta have his whole life together, because I'm still 21 and I'm not together at all. So yeah, that's what I look for in a dude. Just stable, just knows what he wanna do and stuff. Friendship, I really, oh, and the dude has to be loyal. Like, and he gotta know if this just like a talking stage and we just gonna talk for the rest of our life, that's not what we doing. So for friendship, it's about the same but not too deep, you know. I really look for like loyalty with like friends and stuff. Like, you know, when you first meet somebody, you know there's just not gonna be a friend. It just happened. I'm a very go with the flow type of person. So how did you start getting brand deals? Only people I really work with is like all the hair companies, I feel. Jurley She, Lovely Wholesale. Basically how it started, if you really want to say how like I got my YouTube started, because that's really what got it started, is my YouTube. Like Instagram didn't start nothing, okay? It's mad it started like the Jurley She stuff, but like most of it comes from YouTube. So I just basically did like a review on West Kids hair for my first video on my channel, and it did good. And I just went from there. I really didn't focus on doing hair videos. I was just like doing just different type of videos. And then like I started getting emails, and it was like companies was like, hey, you want to do a free review for a free wig? And I was like, yeah, because my YouTube wasn't like really popping. And I was like, yeah, I guess I'll do that, because like some people was telling me like, girl, you better charge them. But I was only at 300. So I put a little email in there. They started hitting me up, and I started charging because my subscribers went up and my Instagram went up. So I started charging. Let me put this other eyelash on, and then I'm gonna come back and answer. I'm gonna answer this last 4 questions after I put my lashes on. So, okay, so we're down to like the final questions, and I got my eyelashes on, but child, these look so big. Am I bisexual? No, I'm straight. Do you have a OnlyFans account? No. Does it look like I got OnlyFans? Like, last question is, are you single? I'm single, very single. If you don't got a wristband, you can't get in. So yeah, that's all the questions that we have today. Hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you have some questions down below that I did not answer in this video, make sure y'all put that down below. And make sure y'all check this hair out before it gets sold out. And I'll see y'all in my next video.